everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Be Creative and Artistic. Preparing for class and exams doesn't have to be hard. In fact, there are plenty of simple methods that teach you how to study effectively. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you all smart study hacks to increase productivity levels, boost focus, and eliminate distractions. So without further ado, let's get started. Study hack number 1. How to easily improve your handwriting fast. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word and pick your favorite font, the one you want to write like. Step 2. Write the alphabet, spaced out, and copy-paste many times. Step 3. Change the color to light gray. Step 4. Print. Step 5. Write over the letters to practice handwriting in new font. Step 6. Practice on your own. Study hack number 2. How to study for long hours. 1. Create a learning atmosphere. 2. Turn off your phone and put it away. 3. 50 minutes straight studying with 10 minutes break. 4. Use highlighters in different colors. 5. Stay hydrated. Now you can study all day long. Study hack number 3. How to cover syllabus fast in less time. 1. Set a study schedule as per the priority. 2. Make points while studying or make pointer sentences to learn easily. 3. Keep only the things you need while studying. 4. Do not take frequent or longer breaks while studying. 5. Analyze the previous year's question paper. Study hack number 4. How to memorize more and 10x faster. Here are 6 super tips. Step 1. Record what you're memorizing. Step 2. Write everything down. Step 3. Make smaller notes out of all written information. Step 4. Do regular revision to retain more information and to remember things faster. Step 5. Teach it to someone else. Step 6. Listen to the recordings continuously. If you found these tips helpful, please share this video with your friends. And also don't forget to comment your valuable suggestions in the comment section below. Subscribe for more amazing tips and hacks.